Hi guys, welcome to Saudi foodie vlog. Today we are making stuffed halwa puri. Soaked chana dal 2 cups, water 2 cups, milk 1 cup. Cook until dal soft. If you are using pressure cook, whistle for 4. Now it's cooked well. Make fine paste. I am using blender. You can use potato masher or dal masher. Sugar 2 cups. Cook for 10 minutes. Now it's ready. Keep aside for 1 hour. In a bowl, all-purpose flour 1 cup, oil 2 tablespoons. Make soft dough like puri. Keep aside for 10 minutes. Make small balls. Roll like this. Stuff halwa inside. Make any shapes like this. Hot oil, fry until crispy. Now it's ready to serve. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya, bye.